Has to be laid on the table, Shri Venkaiah Naidu.
Honorable Chairman, sir, with your kind permission, I raise to lay the papers mentioned against my name at serial number 1 of today's revised list of business.
Sri D.V. Sadananda Gowda.
On behalf of my senior colleague Sri Sadanand Gowda, I rise to lay the papers mentioned against his name at serial number 2 in today's revised list of business.
Sri Jagat Prakash Nadda.
Sir, I rise to lay on the table of the House papers mentioned against my name at serial number 3 of the today's revised list of business.
General Retired V.K. Singh.
Permission, I rise to lay on table of the House the papers listed against my name at serial 4 in today's revised list of business.
Sri Rajiv Pratap Rudy.
Sir, on behalf of my colleague Shri Rajiv Pratap Rudy, I rise to lay on the table of the House the paper listed against his name at serial number 5 in today's revised list of the business.
Sri Prakash Javadekar.
With your permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House papers mentioned against my name at serial number 6 in today's revised list of business.
General Retired V.K. Singh.
Sir, with your kind permission, on behalf of my colleague Dr. Jitendra Singh, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers listed against his name at serial 7 in today's revised list of business.
Now, Sri Hansraj Gangaram Akhir.
The House, the paper listed against his name at serial number 8 in today's revised list of the business.
Sri Manoj Sinha.
Sir, with your kind permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers mentioned against my name at serial number 9 in today's revised list of business.
Sri Upendra Kushwaha.
महोदय, मैं आज की कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 10 पर अपने नाम के सामने उल्लिखित दस्तावेज सभा पटल पर रखता हूं।
प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर रामशंकर कथारिया।
मैं आज की कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 11 पर अपने नाम के सामने उल्लिखित दस्तावेज सभा पटल पर रखता हूं।
Sri Jay Sinha.
Table of the House papers mentioned against my name in the revised list of business for today at serial number 12.
Reports of the Committee on Subordinate Legislation, Dr. T. Subramani Reddy, Dr. K.P. Ramalingam.
Legislation 221st report on the statutory orders laid on the table of the Rajya Sabha during the 233rd session. Number 2 is 222nd report on the statutory orders laid on the table of the Rajya Sabha, and then 223rd report on the reverse mortgage scheme 2008, sir.
Report of the Department Later Parliamentary Standing Committee on Commerce, Dr. Chandan Mitra.
Rubber industry in India, a copy each in English and Hindi of the department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Commerce.
Report of the Department Later Parliamentary Standing Committee on Health and Family Welfare, Sri Satish Chandra Mishra.
Sir, with your permission, I rise to present the 88th report in English and Hindi of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Health and Family Welfare on the recommendations, observations contained in its 71st report on the functioning of Central Government Health Scheme CGHS.
Report of the Department Related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Human Resource Development, Dr. Satyanarayan Jaitya.
माननीय उपसभापति महोदय, मैं राष्ट्रीय खेल विकास निधि के निष्पादन तथा खिलाड़ियों की भर्ती और पदोन्नति भाग 1 के संबंध में विभाग संबंधित मानव संसाधन विकास संबंधी संसदीय स्थायी समिति का 270वां प्रतिवेदन प्रस्तुत करता हूं। धन्यवाद।
Department Related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Defence, Sri K.R. Arjunan.
Sir, I beg to lay on the table a copy each of the 10th and 11th reports, Hindi and English versions of the Standing Committee on Defence as listed against my name in today's list of the business. Thank you, sir.
Report of the Department Related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Information and Technology, Sri Mekaraj Jain.
महोदय, मैं मेरे नाम के आगे सूचीबद्ध सूचना प्रौद्योगिकी संबंधी स्थायी समिति का 11वां, 12वां, 13वां, 14वां, 15वां और 16वां प्रतिवेदन हिंदी और अंग्रेजी सभा पटल पर रखता हूँ।
Report of the Department Later Parliamentary Standing Committee on Petroleum and Natural Gas, Sri Ishwarlal Shangarlal Jain.
Sir, I beg to lay the 7th report of the Standing Committee on Petroleum and Natural Gas as listed against my name at serial number 7 in today's order paper.
Statement of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Railways. Sri Motilal Vora. Motilal Vora ji.
Sir, I lay a copy of each of the statement, Hindi and English version of the Standing Committee on Railways as listed against my name in today's list of business.
Report of the Public Accounts Committee, Sri Vijay Goyal.
Honorable Chairman, sir, with your kind permission, I lay on the table of the House a copy of each in English and Hindi of 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24th report of Public Accounts Committee 2015-2016.
Report of the Joint Committee on Office of Profit, Sri Dilip Bhai Pandya.
Thank you, sir. With your kind permission, I beg to lay on the table a copy in English and Hindi of the 4th report of the Joint Committee on Office of Profit.
Report of the Committee on Welfare of Other Backward Classes, Sri Narendra Kumar Kashyap.
महोदय, मैं अन्य पिछड़े वर्गों के कल्याण संबंधी समिति के निम्नलिखित प्रतिवेदन की एक हिंदी अंग्रेजी प्रति सभा पटल पर रखता हूं.
Statements by Ministers, Sri Prakash Javadekar.
Sir, with your permission, on behalf of my colleague Shri Piyush Goyal, I raise to lay a statement regarding status of implementation of the recommendations contained in the first report of the Standing Committee on the demands for grants 1415 pertaining to the Ministry of Coal.
Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman.
Sir, with your permission, I wish to lay on the table of the House the following statements. The status of implementation of recommendations contained in 115th report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Commerce on FDI in pharmaceutical sector. And the second, the status of implementation of recommendations contained in 116th report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Commerce on the action taken by the government on the observations or recommendations contained in 114th report on functioning of India Trade Promotion Organization.
Okay, thank you. Sri Mohan Bhai Kundaria.
पटल पर रखने जाने वाले कागज के संबंध में आज की कार्यसूची में उल्लेखित संसदीय कृषि समिति द्वारा उनकी तीसरी रिपोर्ट 2014-15 में निहित समिति की सिफारिश और स्थिति के दर्शाती सरणी सभा पटल पर रखने की अनुमति मांगता हूं.
Sri Y.S. Chaudhary.
Respected sir, with your permission, I beg to make a statement regarding this status of implementation of the recommendations contained in the 258th report of the Parliamentary Standing Committee on Science and Technology, Environment and Forest on demands for grants 2015-16 pertaining to the Department of Science and Technology, Ministry of Science and Technology. The present status of implementation is as per the statement laid on the table of this House, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. Now I think we can adjourn. At 12, yes. See, since, no, 1 second. No, we are going to have, I think we can adjourn 12 or adjourn up to 12. Yeah, because let us have a adjournment on a peaceful note. Therefore, adjournment on a peaceful note.
Sir. Sitaram ji, are you coming on me or? No. Deputy Chairman, sir, as you said, I agree that we should end with a
peaceful note.
Peaceful and happy note.
Yeah.
Adjourn the House to 12 o'clock.
Yeah.
12 o'clock we'll have.
Yeah, we will have Senate. Okay. House stands adjourned up to 12:00.